What's up? I don't. Welcome back to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up and follow me on my social medias, Instagram and TikTok. I might be having a breakout. Okay. So I'm gonna attempt to make the distressed fox locks or butterfly locks. So yeah, I'm gonna start like preparing my attachments or extensions, like, you know, just like make it on my own, the locks on my own. And I do have straws because I need just straw and bobby pins. I think the bobby pin might be optional. Okay, I'm just too lazy to actually go to a place to get it because it's extremely hot and I went out earlier, but like I'm drained. My energy is like drained. The only energy I have left is just to braid my hair so I can wear a wig for the meantime before I make the braids. So yeah, let me show you what I'm gonna be using. This is it. I've used this attachment like twice before. I do not throw away my used attachment because, you know, it saves money, and why throw it away when you can reuse it, right? Also got straws, so I'm gonna use this one instead of just like you know, buying a new one. This is how I'm gonna wrap it around this the straw. Yeah, I'm gonna do this. I'm not gonna like go buy bobby pins. I can't, and it's too far. It's like like 10 minutes walk from my house to there, and I cannot do that under the sun. It's like the sun is brutal. It's too much. I can't handle it. So I'm just gonna do that with the rest of the attachment. I will show you how I do it, like wrap it around and all. So yeah, not today though. Today is just to braid my hair, and I will continue this video another day, maybe tomorrow or next when I have a lot of energy. I really want to make my hair on Saturday though. I don't know. Done. I really am breaking out, aren't I? So hair is done. I'm gonna go sleep now. I really am breaking out, aren't I? Well, I did eat a lot of oil yesterday, so I think this is the reaction. I don't like eating oil, lots of oil. I don't like it, because when I do, sometimes this is what happens. So okay, I'm gonna go put tea tray on this and just like leave the rest. And I'm tired. I'm going to sleep. So like I said, I'm gonna be using a used attachment or hair extension or expression, whatever, and also a straw is the one I got. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna wrap it around the straw. So there's still like excess attachments over here because the straw isn't like long enough, so I'm just gonna like wrap it the other way, just around it. And then the excess tip, just wrap it around. You can also use a bobby pin at the end, but it's okay like this. Well, this is it. I've done a bunch of it. So I'm gonna put this in hot water and leave it for a while. And then tomorrow I'm gonna put it out in the sun so it can really dry, and I'm gonna make my hair. the hair. It's a bit wet right now, so yeah, because I actually like put them all together in those bows, so the sun didn't actually touch everything well. But yeah, this is the whole look. I wanted to do my hair today, but I'm just gonna leave it till this evening. It's currently, I think, like 5 a.m. So I'm gonna leave it till this evening, and then I'm gonna do my hair. Wish me luck. That is it for my hair. Oh, I love this so much. So much. I really hope that you guys like this video. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. Okay, thank you. And also go follow me on my social medias, Instagram and TikTok. The links are down below. Thank you so much. I love you guys. I really had fun making this video.